We're Jaisal and Sonia. We are renovating our 1989 Ford Coachmen Camper van that we lovingly call Turtle. Last week we finished putting together our kitchen and pantry area. This week we finished the foundations of Turtle's storage area, built some drawers, cabinets, headliner shelf, and all the small details needed before we take off on our road trip.
We've decided that the build will not be finished before we leave.
No, we decided that. We've accepted it.
Oh, we've accepted it, yes. It's true.
So because we've accepted the build isn't going to be finished when we leave, it'll be important to have a cargo locker. I mean, regardless, it'll be important. On the back of the van, over here.
Okay.
So we're going to mount it up now.
I have a surprise for you all. Wow, wow, sexy. Have our framework done.
All of the cabinets are in place. So, what's next?
Drawers.
We have to build all of the drawers, so the inside portion of the drawers for all these cabinets. I think we counted up about 15 drawers. So we're just going to build them all in kind of one batch, but we're going to build the first drawer all together first.
Yeah.
And then the rest all in one batch.
Here we go.
Security guard and our most prized worker, both sleeping on the job, huh?
Tired.
Mm-hmm. As usual, it's good that we built one piece rather than building the whole batch because it's a little too big. And the reason is the van tapers as we get closer to the back. So we measured off of the front side for the depth, but actually over here it's can't go as deep. So the drawer doesn't fit where it's supposed to. So we're gonna just cut off a little bit, make these shorter, rebuild it. Should be good to go. So take two, we shortened it by like an inch or so. And now it'll go all the way in correctly. So I think we're ready now to put the bottom part on of the drawer and then slides in the face.
Perfect.
So the drawers are made out of 1/2-inch plywood and then the bottom is going to be made out of 1/4-inch plywood. We painted these black in advance. They weren't supposed to be. The front side's supposed to be painted black. And we did this because we're idiots, we don't know what we're doing. And so we're gonna have to paint the front black, but hey, at least the bottom is gonna be black. I think it's gonna look good. Now we're gonna attach it with some glue and nails. I'm using spacers to kind of just space things. I've never done this before. I think this is probably a way to do this. So, since spacing it, screwing it in, and then we're gonna put the drawer in.
We were supposed to leave 4 days ago, but now we're leaving in 2 days.
We're gonna just try to get done as much of the big stuff as we can.
Yeah, so that starts off with our headliner shelf for today.
All right, welcome to Turtle's cockpit. We've been doing a lot of stuff in the back, but up here we still have a lot of work to do. So we're gonna try to build a shelf up here that holds all of our electronics that need to go up here, plus like a headliner, so it doesn't look like this anymore.
And actually can be functional for
and
us
it needs
too.
to be functional with some switches and things. So yeah, I think that needs to be done now before we go on our road trip. We used the original 1989 headliner as a template. We traced it, cut it, trimmed the edges, sprayed an adhesive, then glued down soft padding and pressed it with a roller. Then again, sprayed it with adhesive and placed down our fabric. I was so excited when it was finally finished and it looked so good. We then screwed it into place while trying to hurry, as it turned out to be quite an upper body workout.
Finally, we're covering this up with this stuff.
Nice, it'll be like this. And then this yellow wire will go into the shelf, so it'll just be hidden like that. Cool. This looks good. This looks really nice.
Explain to them what this is.
This is our CB radio, so in case of emergency we have contact, and also we have a PA system. Testing, testing. Did it go?
I think I heard it.
Outside? Hello? Hello?
I hear it.
Yeah, it's outside.
Okay, we got our headliner shelf and our trim pieces. We still have to do some upgrades to the headliner shelf, but it's in there for now and it's road ready, so we're gonna just go with it.
Tonight's the last night of the build. We're working late and trying to get done as much as we can, because we told ourselves today we'll finish whatever we can, and then tomorrow we're just gonna pack up and clean up and try to get on our road trip. So we're just trying to build up as many things, or even just like cut pieces, so we have them on our trip and then we can build them on our trips, because we can't take big giant pieces like this. So we're trying to cut them down to the sizes that we will need, and the rest we'll just have to get from Home Depot and work on it on the road. But let's try to do as much as we can tonight. Sonia's just putting all the rattan together, so this way we can put it all together in the van, but we'll just take these pieces as is over there.
Okay, so this is all that we have done for the cabinet so far.
Cabinets and drawers. We do have some of the other drawers like kitted out, meaning like we cut all the pieces, but we didn't assemble them. I think that's something we're gonna do on the road. Yeah. Obviously, drawers on this side still need like their faces. So a lot of the stuff is kind of needing to be finished, but I think that's stuff we're willing to do on the road, right?
Yeah, we have to hit the road. We want to see this eclipse, and the sun waits for nobody. So we're gonna go and assemble the kits on the way.
Yeah, we're just gonna kind of store them in different places all throughout the van. And this doesn't mean the van build is over. We will kind of finish it all up, and then like maybe have like some sort of tour or something that we can show like how it looks completed. But yeah, this is what it'll look like throughout. It's just gonna take a little more time than we thought.
Yeah, but we're ready. We're gonna be packing soon.
Packing soon, packing now.
Packing now.
We're leaving tomorrow, so let's get out of here.
I'm so excited.
We've gone on road trips with a lot less before.
Yeah.
So like as far as like this van didn't have any of this stuff, so we're pretty comfortable going with at least most of these things are working. It just kind of things need to be assembled. Yeah. So I feel pretty comfortable with that.
Yeah.
And
yeah, in 2018 it was in 2018 we didn't have plumbing or anything done. The gas didn't work, so yeah, this is way more than what we've done before. So
yeah, it was kind of like this where it had all the stuff but none of it worked. So at least we have all the stuff and all of it works. It just needs some finishing touches.
Yeah, we just need to build some drawers. That's all.
All right, well, we got to pack. We got a road trip to go on tomorrow, so I think that's it for today.
Yes. Bye.
Windy.
Go. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Anybody know how many nails you're supposed to use? Use like 40 for this.
Your face. I'm working so hard.
What?
I can't wait for you to see this video of your face.